Hello friends, and welcome to the first episode of Science Alli, the show about the fascinating world and universe in which we live. I am Alli, and today we will be discussing the inner workings of the human brain. My guest is a renowned neuroscientist. I'm sorry. Connor, what was that? I see. Well, it seems our guest has cancelled at the last minute. Fortunately, Connor has found a substitute. Can you please tell me your name?
My name is the Amazing Bob.
Bob.
The Amazing Bob.
And you are a neuroscientist?
Heavens no. I am a mind reader.
Bob. A mind reader.
The Amazing Bob. Don't forget the amazing. I had my name legally changed.
I see. So, Bob. The Amazing Bob. Forgive my skepticism, but no one can read another person's mind. So, what is it you do exactly?
Think of a vegetable.
Excuse me?
Think of a vegetable, and I will tell you what you were thinking. It is a carrot. Now think of a famous U.S. president. You picked Abraham Lincoln. See how this works? Now think of a color in the tool.
But
you thought of a red hammer. This is why people call me the Amazing Bob.
Well,
if you were amazed at those, and who wouldn't be, this will surely blow you away. I'm going to put my thoughts into your mind. Ready?
But
I am thinking of two geometric shapes, one inscribed inside the other. Now I am transferring the image to your mind. Did you get a triangle inside a circle? You are so amazed, you are speechless.
Are you finished?
Are you amazed?
Honestly, no. You are quite entertaining. But really, all you are doing is naming a category then saying the most popular answer. You are bound to make enough correct guesses to impress most people. But what you are doing is not science. And this is a science show.
Okay, try this. Think of a number between 1 and 10.
No, thank you.
Then if you will give us each a sheet of paper, I will draw the same image as you.
Please, Bob. The Amazing Bob. This is a science show, and I am here to discuss science, not parlor tricks.
Oh, well, if you think it is so easy, then why don't you try to read my mind? I am thinking of a country that starts with the letter D, an animal that starts with the last letter of that country's name, and a color that starts with the last letter of the animal's name.
As I said, I am not here for parlor tricks. I do not want to talk about orange kangaroos from Denmark. But if you would like to talk science with me, I'd be happy to have a conversation.
Okay, then, you'll enjoy this one. Think of a famous scientist.
James Randi.
Who?
James Randi. He is not technically a scientist, but he is someone who would be interested in talking to you. He spent many years as a stage magician. Now he investigates claims of paranormal abilities. He knows every trick in the book and is offering a $1 million prize for any person who can demonstrate actual paranormal powers. Do you have what it takes, the Amazing Bob?
Well, you see, I don't want to use my abilities for financial gain. As an ethical mind reader, I have responsibilities to the community. In fact, I have my own charity, the Amazing Bob Foundation, where I work with prisons.
Prisons? Do you predict recidivism rates?
No, I do my stage show for the prisoners. They are always a good audience.
I see. So, the Amazing Bob. I think you are a nice person who has good intentions. But I don't believe you truly have the ability to read another person's mind.
Well, then, listen to this. I am getting a signal that tells me you are single.
Excuse me?
Would you like to go out with me on Friday night?
Well, Oh my. It looks like we have run out of time. Thank you, viewers, for joining me for this inaugural episode of Science Alli. I am sorry that our original guest cancelled, but I do want to thank our entertaining substitute, the Amazing Bob, for filling in on short notice and reminding us why critical thinking skills are so important. Join us next week for some real science as we discuss the latest advances in immunology. See you then.
Now, about Friday night.